Okay, today's video it's about how to convert an EFS mount into something that is EF compatible, meaning this little part that sticks out on EFS lens will be gone. Now, some people might wonder why you want to do that. For my reason, I recently purchased a CLS filter for astrophotography, and it's a clip-in filter for my 550D. The problem is, after I install this filter with this little part sticking out, you can't really install the lens onto the body. Now, just to show you what I'm talking about, with a normal lens, nothing actually sticks out. But compared to this one with the EFS lens, you can see that this little black part is actually sticking out. Now, I've actually did some research online and see how people are fixing this problem, and I found videos of people like sawing off this plastic part. You know, they take the screws off, take the whole thing out, and then saw it off. But I actually found a pretty easy way to do this. I'm not sure if this way only applies to this lens or other EFS lenses, but the way is, you first of all, you zoom it out like this so you can actually stick your finger in, and what happened is just pop it off. Ta-da! And then you can now install the lens onto the body with the clip-in filter. Where's the white dot here? Ta-da! Just like this. Now, the cool thing about this modification is that you can actually pop this thing back. So I'm gonna zoom it out, so like this, and then just line them up, and then just pop it right in. Ta-da! Just like that. Simple fix, and you can go back.